So, this is fall. We are in a season of pumpkins, butternut squash, and all these good goodies. Today, I've got you guys the best butternut squash recipe you can make at home. It's gonna just have 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients. Don't even worry about this one. This is yogurt. It should have brown sugar and cardamom. First thing first, we will peel this big guy and cut it. Oh my god, it's so hot. So the best thing is peel it like this. Alright, so here is our butternut squash. This is a little bit skinny, this is a little bit thick, but it doesn't matter. We just need to cut it so we can deal with it. Alright, we'll grab a spoon and we will take out all the seeds from here. So clean it out. This will be a little bit deep since our cut came like, this is 60%, this is 40%. So take a spoon and just with the help of the spoon take out all the seeds from inside. So easy. This is actually a dessert recipe for the butternut squash, and it's gonna be great, I can tell you that. Wow, it smells so good. Do you know how it smells like? Like the goodness. Okay, these are all the seeds. You can dry up these seeds in the sun, or you can leave these seeds in your kitchen for like 3 days. They're gonna dry up and then you can enjoy these seeds too. Let's remove the mess right here. It's gonna make a lot of mess, I'm just telling you guys. So the mess goes here. Now the peeling time. Grab the peeler. See how beautifully it's going. Whenever you guys are buying the peeler, make sure you guys get the good quality one, because the good quality peeler, it's gonna help the job way better. At least it should have a strong base so you can peel it more easily. So you guys see it's been peeled. Put this right here. Now let's work on the big guy. Peel, peel, peel. We are peeling. Peel, peel, peel. What do you like to peel? Like potatoes, pumpkin? One of my friend, he peels his watermelon with the peeler. Can you imagine? He was like, I'm gonna share a good recipe with you so you can share with your friends online. I'm like, okay, why don't you come in my video and share the same recipe? Okay. And by the way, this is organic. Butternut squash. Comment down below and tell me why it's called butternut squash. Does it taste like butter? Or does it smell like butter? Or is just a name? You see all these goodies? And just move it on the side. For now. Here we have a cleaner and the base. So for the base we will just cut it. That's it. So here in the pot you have just regular water which is boiling. Now the good thing is we will chop our butternut squash. So chop it like this and this. So a little bit bigger cubes, just like that. And stop putting it into the water. Again, these are the sizes. We're just putting it into the water. Here. Now this is the biggest guy, right? So here, and give it a here. It's all fine, it's all okay. Just put it here. My pot is already full. There's a big butternut squash. Alright. Okay. You can leave big pieces if you want to, but I would suggest, don't leave it too big. It's a very easy recipe and a delicious recipe. Okay, here it goes. And this is our last piece right here. It goes all here. So this whole one butternut squash was around 2 pounds. Okay, for the 2 pounds you need at least 1 whole cup of brown sugar, and then half of it too, so 1.5 cup of brown sugar. It goes all here. This is the cardamom. You can use cardamom powder, or you can use just this raw cardamom. We will put at least 10 of them right here. Alright, it's been 10. I'll add 2 more just for the extra flavor. So now it's the best time. Let this guy boil itself in the water and let it soften, let it get softened. Once it gets softened, then we will move forward from here. So for now, just we will wait for this. At least the time frame is about 20 minutes, so we'll wait at least for 20 minutes. All right, so it's been 20 minutes and our butternut squash looks almost ready. Oh yeah. So how about we will cook it for, if you guys see, okay, just see right here with the help of a spoon. This is how it's supposed to be. Oh yeah. So we will leave this guy for next 5 minutes. And if you guys see this foam on top of it, this is all the brown sugar foam. So it's all okay. So after 20 minutes, we will turn off the stove. The water is still hot and it's boiling. And in the meantime, we'll prepare the sauce for our butternut squash. So in a bowl, grab yogurt. You can use vanilla yogurt as well, because since it's a dessert, if you want extra flavor, I'm using natural plain yogurt. Put at least a little bit water in the yogurt, and right now what we will do, we will just whisk it so it form a smooth texture. We want a smooth texture but a little bit soft touch to it, so water gonna help the yogurt to have a smoother texture. You guys see how smooth it is now. All right, it's all done. Grab your serving plates or bowls. Take the yogurt, put it right here. Just try to spread it just roughly. It doesn't have to be 100% right. our butternut squash. Soft, delicious, soothing chunks of butternut squash. You know, brown sugar. Place it just like this, right here. We don't need the water, the juices. The butternut squash has already soaked up the sugars in it. The best part about this thing is you will leave your butternut squash in this water, and it's gonna just get sweeter and sweeter with the time. How delicious it looks. Okay, just 2 more pieces. Here you go. Here you go. Grab a little bit more yogurt and just drip some yogurt right on top of it. Here you go, guys. Your beautiful butternut squash dessert is ready. Okay, so I did taste it with the yogurt. It balances out and it's a good dessert. Check this, how soft it is. That's it. And the yogurt, and there's a bite. It's a soothing recipe. Anyway, guys, do try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. It was a small recipe, but this is very unique butternut squash dessert recipe. Do try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next one. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like it. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye for now.